Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will learn how to find your search history on Facebook PC. We start by opening our Facebook profile in the browser. Next, we click on our account icon. After that, we will click on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. Now we click on the Account Center option. Then click on your information and permissions and then on Search History. Next, we click on the Facebook account to consult, and finally, we will see our search history. We can delete any element if we want by clicking on the icon on the right. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.